linear equation in one variable. The name, there's something about the name. We have linear equation. So what is linear? Linear means line, linear means in ways it is one. It's related to one. So when we have variables whose power is raised to 1, it's a linear equation. Okay, so it's linear basically. So I'll give you an example. X to the power of 1. 10 into y to the power of 1. So this is your linear. Next, equation. When we have two expressions, expression 1, expression 2 being equated, it becomes linear equation. Okay, so to define equation, an equation is a statement. It tells that two things, expressions, are equal using an equal to sign. For example, 3 plus 2 is equal to 10 into 2 square minus 39 whole into 5. Whole of this into 5. So these two are two expressions being equated. This result is the same value once the arithmetic is done. So let me explain this. See, this looks weird, I agree, but they are equal. How? 3 plus 2 is 5, and on the right hand side we have 10 into 2 square is 4 minus 39 into 5, and this is 40 minus 39 into 5. 40 minus 39 is 1. 1 into 5 is 5. So 5 is equal to 5. So yes, these two are equal. They are different expressions altogether, but they are equal. Next example, linear equation. So this is an example for equation. Now we're looking at an example of linear equation in one variable, to be more specific. So this is your variable whose power is 1. So this is linear. And we have an equal to sign. So this is linear equation in one variable. Here, 2x to the power of 1 plus 10, which is on the left, is equal to whatever is there on the right, that is 40. Okay, this side is called as LHS, while this side is called as RHS. This side is your left hand side, and this side is your right hand side. Okay, right, so have a look at it. Now extending this idea, we have linear equation in two variables. So what is different? We have the same thing, linear, anything to the power of 1, any variable to the power of 1, equation. So you need to equate two things, two expressions, but we have two variables. Okay, that's the difference. So here you have x to the power of 1, y to the power of 1. Okay, in the given expressions as a whole, there are two variables, or we can have p to the power of 1, q to the power of 1, m to the power of 1, n to the power of 1. And this is your example, 3x plus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0. So here we have x and y whose power is 1. Those are your two variables, while 3 and 4 are your coefficients, and 10 is your constant. Okay, so even 0 is your constant. Right, so this is an example of linear equation in two variables. Okay, so that's it. This is your linear equation in two variables. So the general form of linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So here x to the power of 1, y to the power of 1. So the powers are 1, and this x and y are your variables, while your a, b are your coefficient, while your C is constant. And to define this, any equation which can be put in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a and b are not both 0, is called a linear equation in two variables. Okay, so this is your linear equation in two variable. Now make a note of both of this.